Hey, here, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. Got a hell of a rig behind me here. This is from my man Brian. He just drove down here 8 hours, come pick this unit up, take it back home with him. So this is a really cool setup here. He is starting his own little barbecue gig, and he wanted the best of the best to get him going. So that's what he's got here. So we'll start off with the smoker, guys. This is our Fridge 60 model here. And it's not just your average Fridge 60, right? This sucker is 30 inches deep. Normally it's 24. So you still have your 3 sliding trays in here, but you got a lot of room in there. Ton of room. Now, it is a reverse flow smoker, so the smoke comes all the way across the bottom and then back out the stack. Our reverse flow plates are removable, so you can lift them up out of there. It's easy to clean up underneath it. Now, as you can tell, it is on our trailer package, guys. We build all of our trailers in-house from the ground up. We design our trailers around your build. So we figured out with Brian what exact setup he wanted, then we designed the trailer around that. It is a single axle, 6,000 pound axle with brakes on it. And hey, the brakes work good, let me tell you. As you can see, he does have a little wood storage up here, butcher block top. So plenty of storage there. Prep off right here. He's got a butcher roll holder. Slide your paper on there, roll it out, wrap your briskets up. So that works really well. Got some cup holders here on the side too. You gotta have a place to set your cold snack down while you're smoking. That's a must have. Speaking of must have, how about this big old stainless steel front shelf on here, guys? That is a great option to add. Looks good, cleans up easy, it's not gonna rust up on you. So we love seeing that. Come around here to the hot box. Now you got the extra large fridge, he gets an extra large hot box. Still 5 sliding trays in there, but a ton of room in this unit. Guys, what we love about our hot box is it runs independent from the smoke chamber. So you can be smoking at 2 different temperatures at once, makes it super versatile. And now Brian did opt for the insulated firebox. That's a 1-inch insulated firebox. Still has his fire management cradle in there as well. All 1/4-inch plate steel. This sucker is built to last, I'll tell you what. Come around here to the back side. More storage back here with another butcher block top. Guys, you're never going to complain about having too much storage or too much prep area. So he's got a couple grates in here for his live fire table, which we'll go ahead and check out. So this is a 60 by 30 live fire table, and he's got a lot of options on this deal. We actually have a rotisserie that mounts on these upper bars, hangs down. He's got multiple cooking grates in here, hanging grates. He's got more bars that go across here and hang stuff off of. A burn down box right here. Underneath is storage, so you fold this down, have storage under there for all your rotisserie and extra parts in there. Coming up, last but not least, we do have a spare tire in here, guys. You know the deal. You do not want to be on the side of the road without a spare tire, so we got that. And hey, he also threw in a 58 quart TMG Pits Orca cooler. Made the tongue extra large for him up there so he can fit that sucker in there. And guys, that's it. He's about to get on down the road and head on out. Hey, we sure did enjoy building this. I'm sure Brian's going to enjoy smoking on it. So guys, until next time, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.